Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to do chapter 10, Walls Tell Stories. In this chapter, you will learn about the Golconda Fort. This is Golconda Fort. In this chapter, we will discuss about Golconda Fort and its important features like walls, gates and fountains. Discuss the arrangements for water in the earlier times. Discuss items kept in museum. Golconda Fort is located in Hyderabad. There are so many ways to ensure the security. A fort is a strong building with a wall around it, where sultans, ruling people, soldiers and other people can stay and be safe from the enemies. Golconda Fort was built at height, has thick walls, huge gate to secure the fort from enemies. Bastions on the outer fort walls, there are round-shaped structure called bastions. For security of the fort, big holes were made in them to increase the viewing area, and thus the soldiers peeping through could see the approaching enemy inside the fort. The forts has beautiful carving on the wall with windows and doors for ventilations. There are many places inside the fort which tells that king, farmers and other people lived in the fort. The fort has huge tanks and water fountains. It also has cannons, a type of gun made of prunes used by Aurangzeb when he attacked Golconda Fort, but he was not able to enter the fort. Arrangements of water. Now come to the arrangement of waters. There was an efficient water supply arrangements in the fort. The bullocks moved the drum, which in turn moved the tooth wheel, and thus water is lifted from the wall. Pipe were used to carry waters to different part of the fort. Hyderabad Museum. Now come to the Hyderabad Museum. Hyderabad Museum keeps many items like pots, jewelry, swords and more. Pots and pans are made up of brass or clay. So students, let us summarize what we have learned. First is Golconda Fort is located in Hyderabad. The fort has beautiful carvings on the wall with windows and doors for ventilation. Pipes were used to carry water to different parts of the fort. So students, now I hope you all understood the chapter very well. So thank you.